Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be telling you what we eat in a week, or sharing with you our dinners. So today is Sunday, December the 13th. Oh Lord. Today is Sunday, January the 13th, and it's 7:05 and we are having Fathead pizza. So Alana just made the Fathead pizza dough. Jackson and I are folding clothes, and we've been meal prepping most of the day. But Alana made Fathead dough pizza. So this is just like a cheddar. This is like a meatball cheddar pizza. It's what we had. We were using up some of the things that we had in the fridge. We prepped, we cooked ahead some meatballs the other day, so we were trying to use that. And we did not have like pepperoni or sausage or any other type meat. So this is what we are having for our dinner. We're not going to have anything with it. We'll just have the pizza. But this is what we're having for Sunday night, January 13th. And we'll see you back tomorrow night. Okay, everybody, for dinner tonight, it is actually Tuesday. We are having the zesty chicken taco soup. No, zesty queso chicken soup. I think that's right. I could be wrong. It's what Shelly showed on her channel in her video, what she eats in a week on keto, and it sounded good. I had all the ingredients, so I just thought I would try it. So I made that. I think this is a keto fail, only because of my oil. I didn't have the right oil. So yes, I'm showing you this. Right, these are supposed to be hush puppies. The batter came out just fine, but I used coconut oil, and I think that smoke point is just not the right smoke point. So we're gonna try these. We'll maybe scrape off some of the dark parts, but we think that's gonna be okay. And then next time I make them, I can do them smaller, because we don't need them to be really big. But we got that out of the Southern Keto Cookbook, and so of course, you know, a friend of ours let us borrow it. But so we're going to try those again. A little bit of a fail with the smoke point. And I did not show you last night's dinner, and simply because on Monday nights we actually have a family friend that comes over, and she eats dinner with us every Monday night if she's in town. And she always brings over a rotisserie chicken from Costco, and then I do the sides. So I actually did a squash au gratin, like a zucchini au gratin, and I just made it up in my head, and I'm so thankful that it worked out. But I'm going to try to film that for you guys, because it did turn out very well. And then we had the cinnamon muffins as a dessert. So the kids and I are getting ready to sit down to eat, because I have to go to band practice tonight. I've got to sing. So we'll show you what we're having for dinner tomorrow night. Okay, everybody, so here's what we're having for dinner. I went ahead and cut my salad up before I remembered I was supposed to film this. So we are having sweet and sticky chicken wings, and broccoli and cauliflower with some cheese, and then just a little salad. So I'll show you. This is sweet and sticky chicken wings. I got this from dietdoctor.com. Just something I was just on there the other day. See, this is why you need sheet protectors, because I just spill real bad. But I was looking and researching some other things, and I just happened to see this. These, of course, are the drumettes that they use, and we use the whole chicken wing. But we're hoping that it's going to be good. And I don't think it's sweet enough. It called for coconut aminos. I didn't have that, so I used soy sauce and some of the Truvia brown sugar. I didn't want to make it overly sweet, but so I'm sure the kids might want it a little bit sweeter. But I'm going to enjoy this meal, and we'll see you for tomorrow's meal. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is Thursday, and I wanted to share with you what I was having for dinner as I am eating it and forgot to film. We are having bacon chicken ranch casserole. And that's just broccoli. There's some ground chicken in there, cream cheese, mayonnaise, and a ranch packet, and some bacon bits. So I am gonna eat my dinner. You can hear that noise. Mama's editing a video and watching Amanda. But Jackson is doing his asthma treatments because he is still not well. He did not eat dinner, but Mom is gonna eat dinner. But this is what we're having, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, everybody, it is Friday night here, and this is what we're having for dinner. This is a spaghetti squash in a blush sauce. So I use a little bit of Alfredo, a little bit of ragu tomato base. So there's a little bit of each of those. We have the spaghetti squash with a little bit of spinach. Well, there's a lot of spinach in there. Topped with a little bit of bacon crumbles and some Parmesan cheese. So Jackson and I are going to partake of this meal. Alana is not well tonight, so she is laying down. This will be the end of our What's for Dinner videos because tomorrow night I have a school function, and so I will be out of town with my college friends. Since I'm an online student at the Bible College, I will be actually joining everybody tomorrow night. So Jackson and I are going to eat this. This is going to wrap us up for What's for Dinner. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We hope you like these videos. Let us know in the comments if you do. And we'll see you next week for What's for Dinner. Bye now.